We've all been there. Planning a trip can feel overwhelming. The sheer amount of information and options available can be paralyzing. It's easy to get lost in the details and lose sight of the bigger picture. But don't worry, AI is here to help. Imagine having a personal assistant who can take care of all the details for you, leaving you free to focus on the fun parts of your trip. Well, get ready, because AI is here to revolutionize the way we travel. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, finding the best options for flights, hotels, and activities based on your preferences and budget. So buckle up and get ready to discover how AI can transform your next adventure from a planning nightmare into a seamless and enjoyable experience. In this guide, we'll show you how to use AI for smarter travel planning. With AI-powered travel apps, scoring great deals is easier than ever. These apps are designed to take the stress out of travel planning by doing the heavy lifting for you. They search through countless options, compare prices, and even predict future trends, so you don't have to. Apps like Hopper and Google Flights use AI to predict future flight prices. They don't just show you the current prices, they analyze historical data and trends to forecast whether prices will go up or down. This means you can make more informed decisions about when to book your flights. They analyze millions of data points to tell you the best time to book your flight. This includes factors like seasonal trends, airline pricing strategies, and even economic indicators. By understanding these complex patterns, these apps can give you a clear picture of the best times to buy. Imagine knowing whether to book now or wait for a better price. That's the power of AI. It takes the guesswork out of the equation, giving you confidence in your booking decisions. No more second-guessing or worrying about whether you could have gotten a better deal. Looking for the perfect place to stay? Platforms like Airbnb use AI to personalize your search results. They take into account your past preferences, search history, and even reviews you've left to recommend accommodations that are just right for you. They learn your preferences and recommend accommodations that fit your style and budget. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin in the woods, a chic city apartment, or a beachfront bungalow, these platforms can help you find exactly what you're looking for. No more endless scrolling. AI does the hard work for you. It filters out the noise and presents you with the best options, saving you time and effort. You can focus on planning the fun parts of your trip, knowing that your accommodations are taken care of. With AI, you can say goodbye to budget-busting travel costs. These tools help you find the best deals, ensuring that you get the most value for your money. You can travel more often, stay longer, or even splurge on experiences you might have otherwise skipped. These intelligent tools empower you to find the best deals and make the most of your travel budget. They give you the freedom to explore the world without breaking the bank, making travel more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Gone are the days of spending hours researching and planning your itinerary. AI-powered tools can now create personalized travel plans tailored to your interests. Imagine this. You tell an AI assistant like ChatGPT your destination, travel dates, and interests. Within seconds, it generates a detailed itinerary, complete with must-see attractions, local restaurants, and hidden gems you wouldn't find in any guidebook. It's like having a personal travel agent at your fingertips. But what if your plans change on the go? No problem. Apps like Roam Around use AI to adjust your itinerary dynamically. If a museum is closed unexpectedly or you discover a charming cafe you want to visit, Roam Around will seamlessly adapt your schedule, ensuring you make the most of every moment. With AI, you can ditch the bulky guidebooks and let technology guide you to unforgettable experiences. Section 4. Packing light, traveling smart. AI knows what you need. Packing can be a dreaded chore. Overpacking leads to heavy bags, while underpacking can leave you stranded without essentials. But fear not, AI-powered packing apps are here to lighten your load, literally. Apps like PackPoint take the guesswork out of packing. Simply enter your destination, travel dates, and planned activities. PackPoint will then generate a personalized packing list, taking into account the weather forecast and your specific needs. Going on a hiking trip? PackPoint will remind you to pack your hiking boots. Attending a fancy dinner? It will suggest a dress shirt. With AI, you can say goodbye to packing stress and hello to a perfectly packed suitcase every time. Travel lighter, smarter, and with peace of mind knowing you have everything you need. Section 5. Lost in translation? Not with AI by your side. Navigating a new city, especially in a foreign country, can be daunting. The excitement of exploring new places can quickly be overshadowed by the challenges of finding your way around. Language barriers, unfamiliar streets, and confusing public transportation systems can quickly turn your adventure into a frustrating ordeal. Imagine standing in the middle of a bustling city, surrounded by signs you can't read and people speaking a language you don't understand. But don't worry, AI is here to be your trusty guide. With the power of artificial intelligence, your smartphone becomes an indispensable travel companion, ready to assist you at every turn. Apps like Google Maps and Citymapper use real-time data to provide you with the best routes, whether you're walking, driving, or taking public transportation. These apps are designed to make your journey as smooth as possible, offering step-by-step directions and even estimating your arrival time. They can even alert you to traffic jams and suggest alternative routes, ensuring you reach your destination on time and stress-free. No more getting stuck in unexpected traffic or missing your bus because you didn't know the schedule. And if language barriers are a concern, AI translation apps like Google Translate have got you covered. These apps are incredibly versatile, capable of translating text, speech, and even images in real time. These apps can instantly translate text, speech, and even images, making communication a breeze. Simply point your camera at a sign, menu, or any text, and watch as it gets translated right before your eyes. Order food, ask for directions, or chat with locals, all with the help of AI. These tools not only make your travels more convenient, but also enrich your experience by breaking down language barriers and allowing you to connect with people in a meaningful way. Beyond navigation and translation, AI can assist with other travel needs too. Currency converter apps help you understand exchange rates and manage your budget, while mobile payment apps ensure you can pay for goods and services without hassle. Weather apps powered by AI provide accurate forecasts, helping you plan your day and avoid unexpected weather changes. Whether it's sunny or rainy, you'll always be prepared. And if you're interested in learning the local language, AI-powered language learning apps can be a great resource. Practice common phrases, improve your pronunciation, and gain confidence in speaking with locals. With AI by your side, the world becomes more accessible and your travels more enjoyable. Embrace the technology and let it enhance your adventures, making every moment memorable and stress-free. Section 6. Budgeting Bliss. Keeping your finances in check with AI. Sticking to a budget while traveling can be a challenge. It's easy to overspend when you're caught up in the excitement of exploring a new place. But with AI-powered budgeting apps, you can keep your finances in check and make informed spending decisions. Apps like Trail Wallet and Splitwise make tracking your expenses effortless. Simply input your spending, and these apps will categorize your transactions, create budgets, and even alert you when you're nearing your limit. No more spreadsheet headaches or mental math. AI does the heavy lifting for you. And if you're traveling internationally, AI banking apps like Revolut can save you money on foreign transaction fees and offer competitive exchange rates. You can manage your money, track your spending, and make secure transactions all in one place.